Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get 5 likes on this video, guys. I would really appreciate that. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, we are still testing that support level at 27, but it is starting to look a little bit more bearish now. You can see that we are creating lower lows on Luna Classic and trading right below the exponential moving averages. We still have to consider the fact that we had this very large move set right over here, and this looks like a very big bar formation being created on the 4-hour chart. Now, I told you guys, as long as we trade below that 29 resistance level, Luna is short-term bearish, and ideally I would like to see a retest of that 22 and then a push forward to that 39 mark, which is definitely possible on Luna Classic. Now, we have to be careful of both scenarios here, right? As long as we do trade below these levels at 27, we are short-term bearish, and this support level is likely going to be tested. Now, of course, if we do hold this level at 27 and continue consolidating right around this level, we can definitely be looking at another wick to the high sides and possibly a support level bounce and then a continuation like we saw over here. You can see we hit that 22 level perfectly, saw that bounce formation, and then another continuation before finally being retraced down. But we would like to see maybe a double top formation all the way up here at that 60 level and then a possible consideration to the downside. As of right now, though, we still have this very large wick that we saw we have to play forward to, and keep in mind that because of the fact that we broke this support level and then had a huge manipulation wick up, we had no sort of pullback, right? We saw a small pullback right here and then another continuation, but we didn't get that pullback to that support level for that confirmation before we finally moved to the forward sides, right? Now, on the lower time frames over here, you can see that Luna is still trading very closely to those exponential moving averages, but we are still consolidating right below them. Usually, this is an indicator of a good shorting opportunity. As you guys can see from right over here, we saw the break of those exponential moving averages, saw a retest as a resistance, and then a confirmation, and pretty much have been trending lower and lower, right? This is a pretty easy shorting opportunity as long as you know how to trade these exponential moving averages. But of course, it now looks like we are now consolidating right in between these levels. Before, you can see that we're trading below like this. Now we are consolidating in between, so it looks like we might actually be looking for another move set, possibly as long as we hold above this 27 level to hit that 29 and then see how Luna would play. Of course, the bullish case scenario on Luna Classic would be we hold that 29 level and then find a consolidation above that level as support and then a continuation. That would be extremely bullish on Luna. We don't want something like this, right, where we actually saw that level break above, we saw a manipulation wick and then a consideration right back below, and then we consolidated back down, right? We don't want something like that. We want to see a move upwards, find that as support. So something like this over here, you can see from previous price analysis, we saw that move above that level, hit that level at 29, consolidate, and then use it as support. And then we had a healthy pullback all the way back up to that 32 level. That's what we're looking for on Luna Classic right now. But looking at the lower time frames, it does look bearish, right? We are consolidating much lower than that resistance level. And you guys already know when that usually happens, we expect a very large move set towards the downside. It does look like Luna Classic is about to break that 27 right now live as we're watching, so make sure you guys keep an eye on that level, right? The reason why that 27 level is so important is because you can see multiple wicks to the downside. Ideally, you want to get confirmation, right? So a confirmation would look something like this right over here. If you guys want me to zoom in, I'll show you, but this is what a confirmation would look like on Luna Classic. You get that confirmation on this candlestick right here that we broke below that level. You see a quick little retest on that resistance, reject it, and then you have the very large move set to the downside. That's what you're looking for right now, right? So whether or not this is going to be that candlestick that actually breaks below, we see a retest to the exponential moving average and then the larger move set to the downside. That's what we're trying to look for right now. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.